All right, everyone. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. This is Jim. I just wanted to do a quick check-in and let you know what was going on. I've been curiously absent from my lives and everything lately, and we had decided that we were going to paint the shop. So let me switch the camera around and I'll show you what we've been up to. All right, so if you remember, all my storage up here was completely full. We pulled down everything that we have room for in the barn. I've covered the CNC and things at the back. We're going to start there. I'm going to paint all the way around, and then we're going to move our freezers to the back wall, and that will free up the whole front of the shop for me to be able to do woodworking and run our business. I'll check back periodically and let you know how it's going. But for right now, I need to concentrate on this.